You're listening to WNR World News Report. I'm your host, Frank News. Britain's tobacco and vapes bill will become law, introducing a rolling age restrictions permanently barring anyone born on or after January 1st, 2009 from purchasing cigarettes or any item that allows inhaling smoke in general for preservation of future generations. This legislation has widespread cross-party and health organizations support, marking a major step to reduce smoking-related illnesses and healthcare burdens. I didn't know you cared. Critics warn that this law creates different legal adult tiers. I think morality creates that, but I digress. And may expand black markets, while supporters emphasize its potential to prevent lifelong tobacco addiction and save lives. Hey, we're the government and we care about you. Just a brief history on tobacco. It was first cultivated and used by the indigenous people in the Americas for medicinal, ceremonial, and social purposes at around 5000 BC to 3000 BC. Christopher Columbus, at around the 15th century, encountered tobacco during his voyage. Sir John Hawkins and Francis Duke introduced tobacco in England as early as 1565, but Sir Walter Raleigh definitely popularized it, an English explorer and a writer, and like all Englishmen, completely devoted to the Queen Elizabeth I, introduced smoking to her by 1600. Now, this is going to be tough because I think at the moment, roughly around 6.2 or 3 million UK citizens smoke at this very moment right now. So that's going to be a tough law to handle. You mean no consideration? I never. This bill is going to take effect by January 1st of 2027. So they're really pushing this with speed, you know? It kind of reminds me of like when Australia passed a bill to let people know that smoking was bad for you, but they put it right on the cigarettes. Look at this. Look at my favorite one. Look. It says the one in the front, minutes of life lost. But anyways, I'm glad that you guys are here. Like, share, and subscribe. And God bless you guys. And I'll be back with more news. Take care now.